So my name is Dominic Tildesley, and I'm currently President of the Royal Society of Chemistry. I'm halfway through my 2-year term of office, and I think this is a really good moment just to look back and reflect about what I wanted to achieve when I started. So one of my main aims was to recognise that the Society has 28% of its members working in industry, and that we should always ask ourselves the question, and what can we do for them, how can we help them, how can we support them? And I've been very pleased with the progress we've made over the last year in that space. So we now have an excellent emerging technologies competition in which we bring small companies together to tell us about what they're doing, and we judge the merits of these companies, and we award them some support. So this year we had over 30 shortlisted companies in the space of green technology, energy and sustainability, and these were judged by a panel of experts, and the winners were selected, and we are going to work with them to improve the chances of those moving from small companies to scalable or larger, more successful companies. So that's a great thing for the Society to be involved in. Well, one thing I would say about the past year is it's been extremely varied. I particularly have enjoyed going overseas on behalf of the Society. So I've had the opportunity to visit Brazil, America. I've had the opportunity to go to India and to Saudi Arabia and to talk to other chemical societies to find out what the perception of the Royal Society of Chemistry is in those far parts. At the same time, it's been very interesting for me to get to know and understand members of the Society better. So I have had the opportunity to visit and talk with members at regional meetings. I've had the opportunity to visit and talk with members at the General Assembly, and I've learnt a lot about what their aspirations are, what they're looking for from the Society, and that's been particularly valuable for me. I've also had the opportunity to talk with politicians, and a great opportunity to try to influence the science budget in the UK. So I've had the opportunity to speak to the Minister of Science, along with my colleagues from the Institute of Physics and the Royal Society, and I found that stimulating and valuable and very useful. So I joined the Royal Society of Chemistry over 40 years ago when I was a student at the University of Southampton. And the Society has stood me in very good stead. It's supported me throughout my career, professionally and in terms of encouraging my career. So I want to say a big thank you for that. The reason that it's a pleasure to be President of the Royal Society of Chemistry at the moment is because we're working, all of us together, in a very successful organisation. That success is recognised in our publishing, in our skills, in our education, and in what we can do for our members. Now, the Society is very interesting. It is a society of its members. It's the pro bono work of a large number of members which really makes the Society move. So I want to say thank you to the membership. But also I want to say thank you to the leadership team and all of the employees of the Royal Society of Chemistry. These people work tirelessly as a team in order to support and help their membership. And it's been a great pleasure for me to get to know both the leadership team and the employees much more closely. And I want to finish by saying a really big thank you for the tremendous work that they do on behalf of the membership.